So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or maybe wondering why some homes are sitting while others sell fast. Well, the truth is the market is shifting, inventory is up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list your house. Let me walk you through 3 simple things to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Number 1, fix the little things before you list your house. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. A lot of buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Loose doorknobs or doors that don't latch, maybe repainting scuffed walls, a leaky faucet in the bathroom. Just go ahead and fix it now. These may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether buyers see it as move-in ready or a project they'll be taking on. Also, if those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more, or they may even kill the deal altogether. Next up is staging. Create a space buyers can picture themselves in, and no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. Start by decluttering, clear off countertops, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal like family photos or big bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Add simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom or a bowl of lemons in the kitchen. This helps buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they can see themselves living there, that's when offers start coming in. And third, make a plan for showings. This is something a lot of sellers overlook. How your home feels during showings matters. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule for what works for you. If you have pets and can remove them for showings, buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring your house. It takes a little effort, but goes a long way towards creating the right impression. So, selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it also takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to walk through it with you. Just reach out and let's put together a plan that helps you sell your home quickly and for the best price possible. And as always, thank you for tuning in and stay in touch.